Welcome today in front of me Motorola Moto G42, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and after that we can see here some icons. If you want to add here some icons or to remove some of them or just to change their positions, you should click here to this edit icon, and after that we can see here this down section with the icons which we can add to our notification panel. For example, to add the location icon, hold it and drag it here to this up section. By this way you can add here all of these icons if you want. If you want to remove some icons from here, just hold it and drag it here to the down section. And if you want to change the icons positions, just by the same way, hold it and drag it. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.